Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your financial literacy with Ramsey Solutions, full guide step by step clearly. To reset your financial literacy with Ramsey Solutions, follow these steps. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all your financial documents, including income statements, expenses, and debts. Take a close look at your budget and spending habits. Identify areas where you overspend and can cut back. Next, familiarize yourself with the principles of financial literacy. Read The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey to understand foundational concepts. Consider enrolling in Financial Peace University for more structured learning. Set clear financial goals to keep you motivated. Create a detailed budget that aligns with these goals. Allocate funds for savings, debt repayment, and discretionary spending. Use the zero-based budgeting method to ensure every dollar has a purpose. Start an emergency fund with at least $1,000. Once your emergency fund is established, focus on paying off debt. Utilize the debt snowball method to tackle small debts first. Celebrate small wins as you pay off each debt. Once debts are cleared, ramp up contributions to your savings. Consider avenues for retirement savings, such as a 401k or IRA. Continue educating yourself about investment options and risks. Utilize resources available through Ramsey Solutions for ongoing learning. Check in regularly on your financial progress and adjust your plans as needed. Stay committed to setting a good example for family and friends. Maintain an attitude of gratitude as you work towards your financial goals. Finally, remember that financial literacy is a lifelong journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.